What's going on, guys? It's the G35 channel, and today we have an install that, quite frankly, is gonna make life a whole lot easier. Wait a minute, what is that? It's a box from VQ Plug. What could this be? Guys, guess what? We got license plate lights today that aren't only gonna light up the plate, but light up the ground like crazy. Let's get straight into the install. All right, guys, first thing you wanna do, get a Phillips, take those two screws out, get your plate off. All right, guys, now that your plate's off, you wanna look up in here and you will see one light and two lights. What you'll do is you'll pull that little tab right there in, drop the lights out, plug the new ones in, and boom, they're installed. So I'm gonna do that right now. All right, guys, now that you got your light out, you'll wanna pull the case off. So let me do that real quick. All you do is twist towards you and then pull off. Now that that's off, what you'll wanna do, guys, is push that tab in and just pull off, and boom, you'll have it. I already had took it off. That's why it came off so easy, but I had to film it with one hand. Now you'll wanna get your new VQ Plug license plate light and plug it in just the way it goes. After that step is completed, guys, you'll take this, feed it back up in the hole the best you can, and pop it right back into place. When the job's completed, the lights should look just like that when they're off. Now let's get a before and after. All right, guys, we're here at the before, and as you can tell, the line on the pavement is very wavy. You can barely read what's on that plate. And here's an actual shot of the light itself. Guys, it's very dim, very yellow and dingy. All right, guys, I'm so hyped. We're here at the after. You have a straight line in the front and the back now. It lights up at least 3 to 4 feet past your car. You look like Fast and the Furious out here. Let me get an up close shot of these lights for you guys. It's absolutely ridiculously bright. There's 18 diodes in there, guys, and it absolutely looks amazing. I'll recommend these to anybody. Link down below. Hit up VQ Plug for any of your VQ needs, and remember, guys, always stay positive.